Hello spinner, you're on Penstock, channel about pen spinning. My name is Alex Lance, and recently I just came across this video and just wanted to watch it with you. So basically this Indian guy is going to break a Guinness World Record for the most pen spin around the thumb in 1 minute. That sounds a bit broken. Anyway, I had no idea there was a record for thumb rounds in a minute, but now I'm thrilled to know if this guy is going to break it or not. Well, in general, I think that setting records is pretty cool, though many of Guinness World Records are a little bit weird, some of them are ridiculous, but this is not the case though. I don't think that anybody can compare spinning a pen around a thumb with, say, longest kiss ever, or most toilet seats broken with head. No, pen spinning is a skill worth setting records. And in fact, I think that there should be a World Guinness record for a great majority of continuous pen spinning tricks. Okay, let's watch it from the very beginning.
ക്ലിക്ക് മീ മീഡിയയുടെ മറ്റൊരു എപ്പിസോഡിലേക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. നമ്മുടെ ചാനലിൻ്റെ 100ാമത്തെ എപ്പിസോഡാണ്.
I have no idea what this guy just said. Unfortunately, that is not that unusual when you see English title, but when you play a video, people begin to speak Turkish, Indian, mostly Indian, I guess. I like how this language sounds, but I can't understand it. And hopefully the rest of the video will be in English. I know my Indian friends can speak English very beautiful.
Hello guys, welcome to this video.
Oh, you see? Nice. Now I can finally understand what's that about.
Guinness record breaking event. The event is the most pen spinning around the thumb.
Not bad, eh? The whole thing seems to be quite official. There seems to be a big commission, a Guinness poster, a nice lady as a host. Looks legit. It's not like you're sitting in front of your phone with a timer, chill and set some records.
And the contestant we have here is Mr. Muhammad Sinanki.
I can definitely appreciate the dedication of Muhammad Sinan KK to hold this thumb around event. He's even shaped as a big anthropomorphic T letter. Now seriously, I like how it's all set up, wish I could be there as well actually.
For this event, we have 2 witnesses and also 2 timekeepers.
How many tries is he going to get? Spinning in front of so many people, camera, trying to set a world record. That's quite a pressure, especially if you don't have a lot of experience of spinning in front of other people.
The present Guinness record is 88. Already
What?
Sinan has
88?
entered into the Indian
Are we talking about
record.
thumb round continuous?
So now we need to ensure the pen. What is its measurement?
Length of the pen is 13.5 centimeter, which is less than 19.5 centimeter, of course.
Oh, he is going to make the trick with a regular pen, 13 centimeters. Alright, okay, will definitely be challenging. Would be better though if they weighted the pen as well, because weight of course is the most crucial aspect. Heavier, say metal regular pen, or at least with a metal pretty heavy tip, would be easier to spin than a plastic cheap, very light one.
Okay, now we have got the measurement, which is 13.5 centimeter. So now the event is going to start. Now it's the time to start.
Okay, let's do the same spinners. Not that I'm aiming to set a Guinness World Records with a regular pen, not a big fan of spinning regular pens. But why not trying to do how many thumb rounds in a minute we can do, right? I'll be also interested to know how many you guys can do it. So when you have time, check yourself and write in the comment section below how many thumb rounds you could do in a minute with a regular pen. Not exactly 13.5 centimeters, but somewhat like this.
3, 2, 1, start. Okay,
there were a couple of drops, not as many as I got. I must say, I'm pretty impressed how he handled the situation. Again, so many people are watching at the same time, I guess he got only one try. It would make me tremendously nervous. Yeah, with only one attempt. Come on guys, to film a combo we sometimes take dozens of tries. If it's not a freestyle, I mean when you really want to show something original or interesting, like setting a world's record.
And now it's time to announce the result.
Sinan has completed 115 complete revolutions, but 3 of them missed, so 112 in total.
Okay, ma'am. And now, sir?
113 complete rotation and 3 missing.
Okay, that's when ZW1007 would come in handy. You can't rely on people on such things. I have a video review for a pen mod from the future, you can watch it out, I will leave link in the description.
So the result can be checked by camera to ensure it. So now this is the time to know the final count of the most pen spinning around the thumb result.
Okay, please, because I'm already shaking from impatience.
Okay, the final score is 113 spins in 1 minute.
You know, it seems to be almost 2 thumb rounds per second. If we take 3 drops into consideration, it is well beyond that. Because of course each drop slowed him down a bit. Not bad, but still there is a huge place for breaking this record. You can take a heavier pen, grind thumb rounds for a couple of days, have, say, 3 tries instead of 1. And I bet someone can actually do more of those and set new Guinness World Record.
Current Guinness record is 88, but now Sinan has acquired it with 113, which is a breaking account for this Guinness record. The final result is 113. So congratulations.
I can only congratulate Mohammed Sinan, good results, well done. Well, there are pretty many people. Let's check the Guinness World Record website, guys. Is there his name, or it's just a local Indian Guinness Records? Because the girl said something about Indian records at some point. Not World's Record, or... I don't really know how it works. Thumb around? Guinness Record. GuinnessWorldRecord.com. Seems to be a legit website as for me. Really, here it is! Mohammed Sinan KK. 108 spins? The commission established 113 full thumb rounds. What if this gap is caused by switching angles of the camera? Because I think that they should only focus on one angle, not to make this video more appealing, more good looking. This would probably have counted thumb rounds more accurately, because maybe some of them were missing due to those transitions. Anyway, as I told before, there is still a lot of place for improvement, so if you guys can beat this world's records, you can send your attempt to our Facebook group. Till the next time, cheers!